Welcome to Prime HRM. So in this video, we will tell you how to set up the salary, how to create a monthly salary to the particular employees. So last video, we already saw the how to create a salary structure to the particular employee in a yearly basis and a monthly basis, and how to provide, how to give the monthly salary to the particular employee. We will show in this video. For that case, let me go to the payroll. I need to go click on the monthly salary setup. I think we already done the salary structure, right? Click on the salary setup. Okay, so now what we can do here, we can create a, we need to choose the which department and which designations and what is the month salary. Let me add the salary for this month. Click on list. Okay, so here we do have only one employee, right? For that case, under this department designations, we will get this employee. So what I will do, it is the status is pending, right? So in this case, so the status is showing pending. For that case, we can click on the add button. So it is show you all the details, right? So we already configure the basic HRA, medical, travel, special, right? So similarly, we already done these things, right? Similarly, these details already we got it. Okay, professional tax, EPF tax, we already submitted right earlier. So similarly, it is already available. Okay, so what you need to do is, similarly we need to find is there any LOPs or any other deductions is available or not. Based on that, we can configure here. So okay, there is no modifications on the additions, because additions is fixed for yearly. We can't do any modifications monthly basis, right? So if you want to give the hike, then you can go to there, you can modify the salary, and if you can provide the additions, everything you can do that. For in this monthly salary there is no changes for the additions, right? So similarly we are doing like this. So for that case, so if you want to give the monthly salary in a issuing the monthly salary, what you can do is you have to open like this. Then after that, you need to enter the how many total working days. So for this case, 31 days, that up to you how many days work in your organizations. Then if you have any LOPs, so for in this case he adding one LOP. So let me, or two LOPs, click on the two and click on here anywhere. So automatically it will give you the how much LOP amount he can deduct it from this particular employee based on the additions. Okay, in a month he will get a how many, how much. So 1290, right? 1290. So if you multiply this one, control C, if you open the calculator, 1290 dot 32 into 12, 15,000, sorry, into 30, right? Sorry, 1290 dot 32 into 31 days, right? 31 days. See, so something is missing. Wait. So 1290. So this is for 2 days, right? So if you go for the 1 day, so it will 655, right? So similarly, where is the calculator? Calc 651, right? 645. 645 dot how many? 16 into 31 days, right? Into 31 days. See, 19,996, right? So for his case, what was the salary? 20,000, right? So similarly, it will automatically calculate the in each day. So let me add up 2 days. 2 days for 1200, 1290 rupees. Okay, so that 32 paisas. Okay, so for that case, what I will do, if you want to apply the LOP, click on this one, copy this one here, paste here. See, this is, or you can do this also. 3490. Okay, that no, sorry, 3490, I think the 3,490 rupees for this guy deductions for this particular December month. So click on save. So in a month, so how much he can 20,000 minus 3,490 rupees, rest of the amount he can get it. So we want to see that amount, click on save. Okay, it is activated. If you want to edit this one, you can edit this one. Okay, so you can see the how much gross salary we are not displaying here. Why? Because on the slips only we are giving. If you want to see the his monthly salary slip, right? click on this one. It will give you these details. So like this, so you can create a pay slip to everything to this guy. So click on edit. You can see this one. Let me try to log in it again. Something is happening. Something. The payroll, salary structure. Okay, and the salary, IT, and SC. And choose the department. So you can click on this one. This is the date. You can see that this employees are salary. If you click this one, automatically payslip will be generated. You can download those payslips and you can verify the right in your case. So this payslips is disabled for us. So for your case, it will open enable for you. So you automatically see the payslips and everything. You can see the payslips. You can generate the payslips and you can download. You can send to your employees. Okay. So like this, if you want to see the so many salary sheet. Okay, monthly salary sheet. So in a department in designations, I want to see the entire employee's salaries amount, right? So similarly, I can get it. Okay. This employee having a account number. Why? Because account number you are not configured, right? For that reason, account number is not showing. So what is the month and what is the amount? Similarly, if you have under the department under the designations, you have nearly 10 to 20 employees. You can download the Excel report directly. You can see the total on each and every employee amount, month, account number, and amount also. Similarly, you have to download the bulk reports. Let me click on the save button. I can able to download those employee prime HRM. This is the salary slip. So similarly, you can download all the employee bulks in a one chart. Once you done the monthly salary setup everything. Okay. So like this, we can enjoy the payroll management system by using the Prime HRM. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.